So after being away for 2 weeks, I was excited to see my friends and practice with them. So time out muna sa A Day in a Province live thingy. Tayo po ay magbibida-bida muna for today's video. For this month, we are focusing on Samol Nori in preparation for our upcoming workshop in September. I was playing the Django here, but I missed the book, so I switched from the Django to play the book. Para magbida-bida, of course. Charot. So, syempre hindi tayo sure sa pronunciation natin ng Django at ng book. I hope I said it right. Excited yan pumalo. Nag-exhibition na yung stick. So may pagbibida-bida tayo sa ating newly members. Charot. Of course not. This is just to help them learn and myself remember how to play the drum. Because originally, when we attended our very first Samol Nori workshop in South Korea, I was assigned to play the book, not Django. Yeah, I was the booker. I am a booker. Charot. Siyempre, mayroon pong hindi pagkakaintindihan ang mga tugtog ng drums. Hindi po nagkakaintindihan ang aming book, Django at Queen. So, kailangan nating magpasikat kung paano pumalo. Charot. Pero parang ako pa na kasi yung may problema. Kasi 2 weeks akong hindi nag-practice. And they've been practicing every Saturday since May 25. Habang ako ay nagbabakasyon sa probinsya, kaya hindi ko na maalala kung paanong pumukpok, Your Honor. Baka kailangan ko lang ulit aralin. Charot. Speaking of which, good news kasi ang Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines is now offering a basic Django class. So you can visit their Facebook page, Korean Cultural Center in the Philippines, for details. Isama nyo na rin bisitahin ang aming Facebook page, KCC Performance Team Nara, or hashtag KCCPH Nara. So feel free to like it and share. May pag-advertise po tayo. Kinenen. Charot. And baka matripan nyo na rin palang bisitahin at i-like ang Kara site. Ipopost ko rin tong video na to doon. Baka lang naman, try nyo lang i-like and i-follow. Kung hindi nyo trip, okay lang naman. Pero mas okay kung trip nyo, diba? So, malapit nang matapos yung oras namin sa practice. So, from 4:30 to 7:30. Pero hindi pa rin kami tapos. Hindi pa rin kayo magkasundo sa timing. Pero kinaya naman kahapon, na itawid naman namin. Dahil sa sipag at tiyaga na itawid namin. Nakakatuwa lang na marami kami sa practice, kahit maulan kahapon. Yung na-miss ko sila, pero hindi ko sure kung na-miss nila ako, ganon, charot. It's just so nice that with my remote job, I can travel back and forth and have some fun. Parang wala na akong maisip na sabihin. So, panoorin nyo na lang yung video. So, kung trip nyo, tapusin nyo. Kung trip nyo lang naman. Yes, loading 10. Pasintabi po sa halakhak ni Auntie Jovi. Ay, kung curious kayo kung sino siya. Meron din siyang TikTok account. Hindi ko lang tanda yung name. I think it's KCC PH Nara Jovi. So for sure, magko-comment siya dito sa video na to. So abangan nyo na lang. So hindi pa rin talaga kami magkaintindihan dyan. Nagulo sila pagdating ko sa practice. So, 6 p.m. na po yan. May nagpapatay ng AC. Hi, Teacher Jo. Yan yung teacher namin sa KCCPH Nara. And siya rin yung teacher sa Basic Django class. You can also follow her on YouTube. I believe it's Living in the Philippines. Watch niyo yung mga videos niya on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Kung curious kayo kung sino yung nagsasalita, siya ang aming Ate Kay and siya yung may hawak ng kweng. So, siya yung nagli-lead sa amin sa Sample Lori. And trivia lang kay Ate Kay, mahilig siya mag-TikTok, pasimuno siya ng TikTok, pero wala siyang TikTok account. Sorry Ate Kay, nilipak kita sa aking TikTok video for today. Pero baka hindi ako updated kasi 2 weeks akong nawala. So baka naman meron na siya. Baka nag-create na siya. Itanong natin. So hirap na hirap pa rin po ang person na tumiming. So since medyo hindi po nakakaintindihan sa timing. So kami daw po muna magpapakitang gilas. Tingnan natin kung papasa. Hindi ko pa ayun naman, naituwid naman. So that's it guys. I had so much fun yesterday and thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next one. Feeling.